Friends, if you are planning to decorate your text and confused about how to make the flowers, then I have solution for this problem. Today I made this simple paper rose. You can make many roses like this and decorate your text. So today I will teach you how to make this simple paper rose. Then let's move to our video. For this craft we need one red paper, one green paper, pencil, scissor and glue. First we have to take red paper. You can use any other color also, and take one bowl. You may also use bangle and draw a circle. Here I draw a circle and now cut this circle. Here our circle is ready. Now what we are going to do, take a pencil and draw a circle inside this circle. Start from here, draw like this. Here we don't want to make a whole circle. Take this line inside and make like this. You have to draw like this. Now cut on this line. It will look like this. Now start from here, just roll the paper. Roll the paper but do not press it. Roll it till the end. Here you apply the glue. Also apply glue here. Leave the flower and stick it here and press it from the bottom like this. Let it dry. Take green paper, just fold it and draw a leaf shape. Draw a simple like me. leaves, paste it on each other. Apply glue here. And paste this flower here. And here our simple rose is ready.